Hi, back again, we start. Last time we did that house, today we build that house. It's simply the same, but with more windows in and so on. So we can use here these things we done before. That means these windows. I take only 2 of them because they are now a little bit other. Control C to copy. Control V to plug in. I copy all. Okay. Then we delete here the rest. Good. So we have 1 of these windows. We need 4 there. And the house should be double like that house. So we start to make that. So add mesh cube, scale down, scale that size, the double of the house before. Then scale set, it should be higher than the other, you see it here. But the part that is higher is the roof itself. So because of that, we leave that here at a little higher place. And then we put in here the stages. So Control R and make it 2 loops for these stages there. They should be nearly at the same place as from the other house, but not completely, because we see here a little difference. Good. Now we make here again this color for the stages that we can better decide where we are. So we take here the red color and the white color plus material, take that white one and bring it there. Good. Then this roof is a complete other roof. It is at the front small and at the back it is normal. So that means we have a completely other roof there, and that means that is half. So that means Control R, we make a loop in. I must good think about that, yes. Then a knife from the middle point here to that point there. Yes. And now we can get this part here and bring them up. Yeah, that's it, but here we need to cut 2. So we take the knife middle position to each edge position and cut that through. So now that works better here. And it should be double high as this one here, so that means such like that. Good. We done that. File, Shift D, make it double. Move that to second layer, file, save. Good. We have here 4 windows at each stage of them. At the back side 2, that is other than in the other house. And here these 2 stages are with these 4 windows there. And on each side here 1 other. But okay, So we take that and double that, Shift D, and bring it there. So then we join them together as one. We say here we want to apply the rotation scale of it and set the origin to geometry. Here in this case we want to have a white one, so we simply get in here and take white, bring it in front, so we have it there. We see there's a little space between, there is more space between, so it's such like that, but we can scale it a little bit bigger, think such like that. Good. Second one at the second stage, and when we look at the back, there is it on second stage and in the roof. That is the difference here. So Shift D, make a copy of that, bring it here, but make it red. Then at the back, Shift D, bring one there, and in the roof itself, let's short look where that is built there, in the middle of the roof. So we look there, think such like that. A little bit great, I think, so scale it a little smaller. Good. So we bring them all into, and here we need to open for the door. So we go second layer, there is this door thing, so M to move that to the first layer and bring it in front, but we make it white. Edit mode A to select all material sign. Then we scale X, because here's the door much brighter there. So we have that. Here comes later some spaces between them. Yeah, what is okay. Good. So we have now all in to cut out, so we can join them all together. Not the house itself. Join. Don't works. Why? I don't know. Here every time comes the whole house with. That's mystery. Join. 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 And join. So normally we have that now. Yes, we have it. Okay. That is okay. Then objects, apply rotation scale again, set the origin to geometry. Same with the house, objects, apply rotation scale, set the origin to geometry. The house is clicked. The name of our cutter is cube 73. So boolean cube 0.073. And should be the difference. So apply. Then we can move that by the way, and let's cut it in. So we can move that here to second layer. We have the house here. We can Shift D, make a copy, and M to move it to second layer. File, save. Good. Moment. Good. Now we have to bring there this whole box on. So we have to see correctly what we do there. At the front, simply stripes and one other there, and there's a window on each side too. So there's one and there's one. Okay. So that is on the top, that is more on the down part. No, why I don't know. Okay. So we take here one of them, Shift D, place it there, delete what we don't need. So X, delete, so we have only that left. And object, apply rotation scale, M to move first layer, go to first layer, it should be here one, I think, such like that, but a little scale. So here should be one, into Shift D, on the other side it is on the top, so there we join them together, object, apply rotation scale, name is cube 33, so we have to apply here again, 33 cube 33, and difference, apply. So these windows are into 2, so we can move that to the second layer, file, save. Good. Now we need all this wooden stuff there, but we make it before at the front. So that means we take here simply the same wooden stuff that there is, we only change the color later. So Shift D, bring them there. Better we bring them both to the same high here, then that goes faster. Good. That here we scale simply to the size of the house. Bring that a little to the side. Good. Bring them under the window. Same we do here. Shift D. Bring one there. Scale X. Scale set, make it a little bit smaller. Then around the windows should be wood. So we can take here this part here, Shift D, and place it over the rest there. And Shift D we make here and bring it then down under there, because we want to have different ones. Okay, we must adjust that later a little, I see. Good. Then we take that one. Shift D, place it there. And Shift D there. And this one we join together and simply mirror them. So we have there another look than the other down there. Good. So we have that windows. So we simply, the back windows need to, wow, there is that is error. And there, and there, okay. So Shift D, we bring them to the back side, and it should be on this part. Wow, that is bad. So rotate X 180. Good. Then stripe should be in, and that should be rounded too. So we start here. We get this whole thing and move it a little bit there. Scale it in the set that we come here. To the both points that we need there. We get here one of these big guys there and plug them there over. Scale X. I must look again. That's not so easy to see here, but there is a big one down under. Yeah, that's correct. And Shift D, there is one there, and the sides we need also, so we can copy that all. Shift D, place that where it should be. A little bit to the outside is okay, but we don't see that, so it's not important. Shift D, place here the outer parts. So take that big one here too and bring them there. Scale X. Good. Bring them a little bit deeper. Then scale set. Same here. Scale set. Good. We need the stripes in there. So that one's here. Shift D. Place it there. And this one, Shift D, place it there, beside the window, of course. Here that should be longer at the down parts, so we can take that and bring that simply into. Good. That here we don't need because we have here this bar there, so we can delete that. Here we need these stripes too, so Shift D, place them there, and this one too. So then we make them longer. Don't know why that is here singular, but okay. So make them all to the length that we need. Good. So only have to position that here new and scale set a little. It's a little bigger than the other, no problem. Here can go a little up, here we can go a little bit down, here a little to the side, and scale X a little. Good. Here scale X again, here scale set and scale, and reposition that. Good. That's better. Here we have to do the same. Scale set. Scale set. Then this middle one can be scale X. Scale X. This one we should go up. Good. One of them we simply take Shift D here and scale X. We go here more up with them, so we close that there too. Here we need two of them, so Shift D, place one there, scale X, and Shift D, one there, scale X. But we must look where is the hole. There. There. We must reposition that. Only that hole. So we bring it more there, and that is good. Good. File, save. So at the front of the house, there's here a strap between. On this edge and on this edge, there's the middle part there. That means that one here. There must be some other stuff. So we simply take them, Shift D, place them there, scale them a little down, rotate Y, and we have it. Can bring that into the backward, and that looks so a bit more in the middle. Good. Then we can take here this one, Shift D, bring it there, scale it down, rotate Y, whoop, rotate Y, and bring it in the background. Good. So that was that. File save. Yeah, same weights on the back side. So we simply bring that all to the second stage minimum. The other stage we don't need to build. So take the side panels, this top thing, Shift D, bring it there, rotate set 180 so that it's turned, and bring it onto. So we have that. Then we need here the Windows stuff there. Shift D, bring them there, rotate set 180 and bring it onto. And we see we don't need them here at the top because here is this bark under there, so we can take here these things and bring them down under the window. Good. That one can be scaled and set a little. Here we make a copy to bring it there too. Good. So that's the back side. Here we need 3 on each side. So 1, 2, 3. Shift D, place it there. But we need 3. That's not good because we have here 2 less space for such. But if they want it, they get it. So we bring them into but they all the same, I see. That's bad. Rotate set 180. Oh, that brings nothing, so we simply bring here one. That one we delete. Then we take that one, Shift D, bring it there. Rotate set 180. Bring it there. And this one also rotate set 180. Then get here one from this stage, Shift D, bring it there, rotate set 180, up and into. Good. Place it there. Good. So we have that. For me it's too much, really. I delete that, I make it my way. That isn't good. It's too much. So delete that. We only make 2 here and make it our way and ready to go. So good. Here should come such of them. So we simply take that one, Shift D, bring it down here, scale down, bring it in front, scale set, rotate Y, bring it down into, same here, Shift D, bring it there, scale it down, bring it in front, scale set, grab it, position it, rotate Y, grab position, get into. Same with that, Shift D, scale down, scale set, rotate Y, grab and position, bring it into, rotate set again, Y again. So we have that. Shift D, place one here, scale down, bring it in front, scale set, bring it down, rotate Y, scale down, bring it onto, grab it to the way. Good. Then Shift D, bring one there, rotate Y, Shift D, one there, rotate Y, bring back, Shift D, one there, rotate Y, bring it back, normal axis, scale set, one there, global axis. So I think that is nearly the same what we got there. The rest is not important for me. Good. So we need this shit window stuff there again. So we take here that one, Shift D, bring it there, rotate set 180, and bring it there to the top windows there. It's all too fat for that, but we will look what we can do. So we should scale it in first a little, then bring it onto into, so that, okay, then another one, Shift D, place it there, rotate set 180, back view is Control numpad 1, scale down, position it, good, bring it onto. So then we need this thing here, Shift D, P to separate the selection. Now it is a singular mesh. And we want to take them there. So grabbing positioning, then simply get here the down part. Take here the normal axis 2. Oh, that's not good for here, but eagle. Then we position it here at the stage there. Here the same, down and left. Good. We place it into onto. Good. Then we need here one at the top of the windows. And simply scale X. That here, oh, that must come more out. That must come more out too. That must go here smaller. Here too. That we can make a little down there. Scale X. Here a little bit more down. Good. So we have that thing there. Only needs here 2 stripes. And here 3 stripes. Yeah, that is all. Good. So we can take that one, Shift D, place one here, scale set. Take this one, Shift D, scale set. Bring it into one at this side, Shift D, scale set, and maybe this one, scale set. Good. 3 should be on the top, so Shift D, is here, one in the middle, and should be two on the sides. Maybe we can make it here even with that. So then, good. I think that was it. File, save. So we need the same materials as there. I get a little drink and I'm directly back. Good. Now we have to bring there the same materials on. So we take that front, get face selection, border selection, and select here all this front stuff, but without the windows. So simply right click and that deactivates the selection. So the rest is marked, and that should be plus. That puts material that we made. That was that one. If it is right. Yes. Sign. We only have to change the color later. So, and we need here for sure an unwrap. So U, project from view. So we see it there, and we can now scale it here in the UV image editor. That should be that. Then the down stage should be that stone material. So we get here plus and say here it should be that stone, and we say here this one should be stone sign. So we have that. Then we need the windows, so plus class window. We simply take all the windows and assign the class material, take the unwrap from view, and now scale them that we see here this axis on. I think that is good. Good. Then we need the roof, so plus take here the roof material, but we see that is too glossy, so here the roughness has a failure, I think, but okay. We take it here, sign view from view, and scale down. Good. Then from the side, give here the roof material, view from view, scale down. Here we go back to global access for sure. Here we don't need anything normally because there is not a house on, but we make their stone material, so we have some there. Good. Then the other side of the roof, assign U from U scale. Then this tree should be stone, assign U from U scale down. Good. There was some 2, then we make it there 2. Stone, assign U from U scale. Good. This 2 faces 2. Stone, assign U from U scale down. And the rest, that should be puts, that puts material there. So we can take here all this stuff and say puts assign U from U and scale down. Then take the windows and class window assign and U from U and scale down. So ready. Good. Yeah, here we have that little problem with that. So Shift D, we can simply bring here another one on and bring them there to fit with. That looks a little better. It is double, but who cares? I care. Okay. Object, mirror, interactive, move it but away and bring it outside. Makes no sense here. Every time we have cheating you, so we need other wood there. Wonderful. Real tool. So it should work. Here that must be smaller, I see. So scale them smaller. That here too. Yes. Okay, file, save. Now we see that that is more green, the whole wood stuff there. So we can delete here this whole house, we don't need it anymore. And we give them another name, save as 2 new 2.1 new. Really fucking stuff here. Good. So all wood should be that great stuff. So we take that wood and say here the mixing should be gray. And you see we have that gray, all good. Then this puts material should be some white stuff, so we make it white. A little gray, can be a little gray, light yellow. Yeah. Such like that. Good, and that was this house. See here the windows can be more come to the front. So we simply click them all and move them to the right. So let me close up there. Here's the same. They are too deep into. So bring it in front. The front is at the back is also. So bring them to the right. So that should be puts. So puts inside U Q projection scale. Good. We have done this house too. Only needs here a shop picture in front. So I look what we can plug there in. So you can search it on texture.com, you know that. And I search here in my folders. Yeah, a bar is good. So copy, bring that in our texture folder. And then plug that here onto, so we make a new material, call it shop. Yeah, that should be an emitting material. It should have a texture, and the texture is in the texture folder, and it's called apply today. Here. Okay. Then you can take here simply U from U bounce, then we place it completely there and stretch it also. Here we can use this stone material and take the cube projection and simply scale that. So we have done that house too, that's fine. So one less to go to St.Michell. File, save. Thanks a lot for watching, see you